Oh wow, look at these, beautiful. Samosas or sambusas. Now I've made these with a nice spicy potato. They're still a bit hot. Let's have a little. Oh, they're fantastic. You want some? If you want, come over to my house right now. I live at flat. Come on over. So today I'm going to be making some samosa or sambusa, depending on where you come from. These ones have got potato and they've got a nice spicy potato, so we're going to make that, and then we're going to get some wrappers. We're going to fold it up. I'll show you how to do that in a few steps, and then we're going to fry them off. They're absolutely delicious. Some lovely little pickles to go with it. Welcome back to How to Cook. So I've got here 2 cups of potatoes. I peeled them, I cut them nice and small, and I boiled them. They're fairly soft. They're not completely soft, but they're fairly soft. Half a cup of onion, cut that really small as well. A teaspoon each, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. Fresh chili, up to you, about a tablespoon or maybe less. Curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. You can get them, they're really fabulous and, you know, pretty essential in this, to be honest. If not, try and get some dried. Garlic ginger paste, just over a tablespoon there. A teaspoon there of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing powder, although we're going to put it in earlier. And a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So I've got 2 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Use something different if you want. Let's just get that teaspoon of cumin seeds in there and the curry leaves. Just want to get the heat through them just a little bit for a few seconds. Then we're going to go in with the half cup of onion, which I cut really small, and the tablespoon, say just over actually, of ginger garlic paste. Above medium heat. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Keep it moving. So just a couple of minutes there. Now let's get the potatoes in. Like I said, I cut them really small, and I've cooked them, like I say, they're quite soft, but not all the way soft, you know what I mean? They're not kind of mashed potatoes. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add fresh chili. We're going to add that teaspoon of garam masala powder. And then we're going to add a teaspoon each of the big 4 chili, turmeric, coriander, and turmeric. In it goes. Now, 4 minutes, stay on this lively heat, keep it moving all of the time. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some frozen peas in here or some carrots cut really small. I'm just going with potato for our filling today. Back in about 4 minutes. That's fabulous, that's done. Off goes the heat. Cilantro, coriander, just a little bit in there. Bit of fresh herb. Mix it in. And job done. Now, I started this off with cumin seeds and curry leaves, but you could also add, which is very popular, black mustard seeds. Okay, we're going to set that aside, let it cool down. That's ready to go. Okay, so look, I've bought these Samboosa or samosa wrappers. There's 100 there. They cost like $2. I'm not going to make them. They're a pain in the... So yeah, use these. Okay, so you can see we've got the individual wrappers there. Like I say, really convenient. I mean, you just need loads of patience and skill to make them, so I just always buy them. Next to that, you can see I've got a tablespoon of flour mixed with a couple of tablespoons of water. Mix it up and it kind of acts as a little bit of glue. We're just going to dip our finger in that and put it on at the end. So let's start building. Now there are several, in fact there are many ways of folding. This I always find the simplest way. So we're going to start by putting a small amount near one end, as you can see, and then we're going to do the first fold. That's that corner over. Second fold is forward, then across, then over. Now we're going to add some of our glue. You could use egg if you wanted, but I just think the flour's okay. And then fold it in, give it a little squeeze on the edge, job done. So a very small amount of filling at one end, and then we go for the fold. Over, forward, across, forward, get some glue on there, and then a fold. And just one more time for you there. Small amount of filling. The fold across. The fold forward. To the other side. Forward. Get some glue on that. Final fold. Bam, you've done it. I think that's the easiest way. Okay, go on then, we'll do one more. Not too much filling. There's that first fold, you can see that. Then forward, then across, then forward. Add some glue and we're done. They're nicely sealed this way. It's the easiest way, I think, and they get a nice fold and seal. All right, let's get on with that, and then once they're done, we'll get them fried off. Okay, and there you go. There's a nice plateful there. Now, it is a little bit difficult at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. So I hope that I explained it enough there. You can see the folding method, and I think that is the easiest way. Okay, really simply now, we're going to get some oil. We're going to fry them off. Okay, so look, I've got a pan here. I've got a couple of centimeters of oil. You can deep fry them if you want, or quite shallow fry them. It's up to you. I'm using a sunflower oil, canola, corn, vegetable oil kind of works as well. Let's just check them out. Let's just check. See that? Just barely bubbling. We don't want the oil too hot. So in they go. I think I'm just going to put 3 or 4 in here. I'm going to batch cook these, of course, because there's quite a lot of them. And then they're going to take a couple of minutes. You just want the wrapper to get a nice golden brown. Very, very simple. Okay, so look, 2 to 3 minutes like that. Now, if you want, you can do them a bit darker than that. I'm happy just there. So they're going to come out, and I'm going to put them onto some paper towel just to drain any excess oil from them. And here we go. We're going to repeat. I'll see you at the table once they're done. They look all right, don't they? Not too bad at all. Nice golden brown, only take a couple of minutes. And as you can see on the side there, I like to eat mine and serve mine with some pickles. I've got a green pickle there, a lemon pickle, a chili pickle, and a nice tamarind type pickle. Have a little dip in there. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.